Hello everyone, it's Jodi. We are here today to talk about the Sale-a-Bration promotion from Stampin' Up. It starts today, January 4th, and goes through the month of February. And for those of you that are familiar with Stampin' Up, you know this promotion. This has been around at least as long as I have been a demonstrator, which is over 20 years now. So this is an exciting time because you get free product of your choice with the qualifying order. So what I want to do is walk through this brochure with you. By the way, if you have not gotten, pull in the new mini catalog. This is our new mini catalog, and then this is our Sale-a-Bration brochure. If you did not get these in the mail yet, and you don't already have a demonstrator and you'd like me to send these to you, I am happy to do that. Please leave me a comment and I'll get that right out in the mail. Of course, you can view them online too. So let's get started. This is the Sale-a-Bration brochure for January and February 2022. So as you may know, you get to choose a free item with every $50 that you order. And so you can see the very first option here is Island Vibes. It's free with a $50 order. And I just have a card that I'm going to pull in. I did some swaps, and so I have some card samples. Some I've made and some are from other demonstrators. So this is just a fun little fold like this. You'll notice some new ribbon on there too. That's part of our mini catalog. So this is the Island Vibes free option. Then we'll turn the page and you have Daffodil Afternoon 12 by 12 designer paper. So it's 12 sheets, also free with a $50 order. And I love all of these samples that they include in the brochure. There are so many great ideas here. I love this one. I love that with just all those little pieces of the designer paper. So I want to pull in and just show you some of those patterns. Now this, I've been playing with this one a lot, so I just have these little scraps. This is the front and back. They're all double-sided. So this is one. You'll just have to imagine it 12 by 12. I'll stick that up there. And then I'll just go through. The lighting might not be the best on all of these, but we'll see how it goes. So there's some monochromatic patterns and then some very vibrant patterns here. I like this one a lot too, these stripes. This is so beautiful. So pretty. I think I'm just excited about flowers and daffodils and spring. Even though winter just started, I'm kind of not a winter girl, so I'm ready for spring. So these are, like I said, the lighting might have been a little funky on some of them, but that is the Daffodil Afternoon 12 by 12 designer paper that you can get free. Now, what you need to know is that it says right here, coordinates with Daffodil Daydream bundle. And so, oh my goodness, I just about knocked over that whole stack of paper. So what I want to do is pull in my catalog really quickly. It's on page 37 and show you the Daffodil Daydream bundle. So it's got a stamp set, it's got dies. You can order here, save 10% when you order as a bundle. Again, more card samples, but I love that they're tying some Sale-a-Bration product back to that new mini catalog. So this paper coordinates with the bundle on page 37, Daffodil Daydream in the new mini catalog. Okay, our next Sale-a-Bration option, free with a $50 order, is called Catching Butterflies. And there's this sweet card here. And then we have Driving By. And I've seen so many cute samples with this, so many. This, by the way, how it cuts out the 3 different rectangles and stitched, that's a die in the annual catalog you may have missed. It's really fun and it just adds such a creative element to projects. So this is a sweet card with the Driving By free option. Then we'll turn and we have Sunshine and Rainbows. I love this free option. Again, free with a $50 order. It's 6 by 6 designer paper, so it's smaller, but you get 48 sheets. So there's 12 different designs and you get 4 of each. So I'm just going to attempt, because it's easier to hold these 6 by 6, I'm going to attempt to just kind of flip through so you can see. And some of them, like these stripes, those are just so stunning to me. And some that are very, they're colorful, but they can be used for so many different occasions. And then you have some that are just monochromatic. And of course, some have rainbows, some don't. That's a very fun one. So 48 sheets of this gorgeous paper free. And you might notice here, it says coordinates with Rainbow of Happiness bundle, page 18. So we're going to go back to the mini catalog, look at page 18. This is the bundle, Rainbow of Happiness stamp set, awesome dies. Again, when you buy the bundle, you save 10%. You could purchase this, choose this as your free option. All coordinates together. So I love that coordination. All right, let's keep turning. Next, we have the Simply Marvelous designer paper. Again, this is 6 by 6. It's 48 sheets, double-sided. It's all monochromatic, as you can see here. And I have this card that I got in one of the swaps that I just love the simplicity of this card. It's such a soft, these colors are just spring and soft, and I love that. And just these strips, how many of you have scraps that you hang on to forever because you just know you're going to come up with some idea? I am very guilty of that. And this is a great way to use up some of those scraps. So love this paper and the idea shown in this card. The next one is Awesome Otters. This is another fun stamp set. And look here how they combined the marble paper and the otter set on this sample. So this is a card that I did. This is actually one we'll be doing at my January 29th event. If you haven't heard about that yet, make sure you look for another video or information on that. But this is colored with our blends, and that's the Awesome Otters, free with a $50 order. And then we have stuff that's a little bit different because now we jump free with $100 purchase. So everything I've shown you so far is free with a $50 order. Now let's say you did a $100 order and you want Catching Butterflies and Driving By. You can absolutely do that. You can choose two $50 options. However, you also have special $100 options. So if you choose the Friendly Hello stamp set and designer paper when you hit 100, that is an option for you. So with a $100 order, you have a couple special options. So the Friendly Hello stamp set and the Friendly Hello designer paper. I'm going to pull in the paper again to show you. I've played with some, so I've just got some scraps of some here. But these, again, these colors, the freesia, I'm absolutely loving, and I just love the soft colors that just remind me of spring. This one is Granny Apple Green, and I think it is stunning. I love that piece. So again, we have some monochromatics, and then we have some that have multiple colors on one sheet. Some that are the line art, some that are more solid looking. Lots of variety with this designer paper. Okay, and then that stamp set, of course, has some great greetings and images in it. Let me pull in a couple of samples I have. So this one features the flowers and the Hello Friend. It's got some of the designer paper on there as well. Very bright and vibrant colors. And then we've got another one that's a little more subtle. It's Pool Party. It's got the bird image and some different designer paper and another fun little fold like that. So those are a couple of options for you as far as card ideas with the Friendly Hello stamp set and designer paper. Again, this one is free with a $100 order. Now, here's another option, free with a $100 order. You heard that? That was my alarm to make sure I remember to come on live. I guess I said it a little bit late. Special Moments is a 21-piece stamp set, and it's just got a great variety of greetings. So many things that you really need and would use. Happy birthday, congratulations, thinking of you, best wishes, sympathy, hang in there if you need to send an encouragement card. Thanks for brightening up my day. Just a card to say you're amazing. There's so many great greetings in this one. It's definitely one you're going to want to add to your collection. So those are your two $100 options. Now, like I said, if you do, let's just throw out there a $150 order. You could choose Special Moments and what are we going to flip to? Catching Butterflies. Or you could do rainbow paper, and marbled paper. Any combination that you want to with the $50 and $100 options. The thing is, when you get to $150, you are also going to get Stampin' Rewards, and that is at $150, $15 free. So you could get up to 3 Sale-a-Bration options, depending on which ones you choose, and $15 in free product of your choice. So that is something awesome too. Now, there is something else special toward the back of the Sale-a-Bration brochure, and it's this set right here. I actually have it. I love this set. This flower is stunning. I like the greetings, the font. This is another card that we're going to be doing at my January 29th event. I hope you can see that little shimmer and sparkle as I move it. This stamp set you're going to get free with the $300 order. Now you can do that just you as an individual. So if you did $300, you'd get up to 6 Sale-a-Bration options. You'd get Stampin' Rewards. I want to say off the top of my head, it's like $36 at that point. And the stamp set free. That could be you individually ordering, or it can be you and you gathering orders from a couple of friends and submitting it all together. So whenever that order, that total amount of orders gets to 300, you're going to get this free, whether it's you individually or you collecting orders from a few people. But that is a gorgeous, gorgeous stamp set. The last thing I want to tell you about is the special offer if you choose to join our Stampin' Up! Community this Sale-a-Bration season. So always, when you purchase the starter kit, it's $125 worth of product of your choice. 20 years ago, I paid like $300, and it was for like some predetermined product that Stampin' Up! Had decided was the starter kit. So the fact that you can join for only $99 and you get to choose the $125 worth of product is amazing. So if you're flipping through this new mini catalog and you are thinking, oh my gosh, there's a lot on my wish list in here, maybe the best option for you right now is going to be to purchase the starter kit, because like I said, you'll pay $99, choose up to $125. You get free shipping, so that saves you $10 right there. You only pay tax on the kit. But the bonus during Sale-a-Bration is that you get to choose any 2 stamp sets for free. Now, these are stamp sets that you'll find in the mini catalog, in the annual catalog, but you can go through here and you can say this $25 stamp set right here, Flowing Flowers. You can choose that for free with your starter kit. You get to choose any 2 stamp sets for free. And then, of course, you get the ongoing demonstrator discount. So you won't pay full price for all the rest of that stuff that's on your wish list. So if now is a good time for you to do that and you want to take advantage of this generous offer, be sure to reach out, contact me, and I can send you my link to join my team and answer any questions that you might have. There's a lot of fun that goes on. We gather in person, we gather virtually. You'll have more ideas than you know what to do with. And of course, that demonstrator discount that you just can't beat. So again, it's Sale-a-Bration time. It's a really special time at Stampin' Up! We have amazing options to choose from this year for your free product choices. And then of course, the generous starter kit offer too. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask. I'm always here to help. And I look forward to stamping with you soon. Have a great day.